Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Almas Garapuri. Now I will review about method of informating meeting aid. Learning objective. This chapter explains each method of informing that might be used in developing speech and describe two of the most common type of informative speech: process or demonstration speech and expository speech. You have to describe your speech completely and truthfully so that your audience could grasp your message clearly. A description of the system people might go from the floor to the ceiling. A description of the painting might process from foreground to background, left to right, or top to bottom, and a description of the heart might begin by explaining how the outside appears before discussing the chamber of the interior. However, the description process, it is important that your description is orderly and thus not jump around, thus helping the audience to systematically see that thing you are describing. Narration of autobiographically or biography can even matter. Stories and other accounts can be effective way to explain an idea. Narration in general comes in four parts: orientation, the listener to the setting, time, and place, as well as its character, the flow of event which lead into a complication or problem, including the details that enhance the development. Narration with discussion, how the complication affect the main character in the narrative. When you use second person, you place your audience at the sense and use the pronouns you and your. Second person narrative can be effective because it asks the audience to recall an event that has happened to them or to become an actor in the story being told. During a demonstration, you speak from that experience as you guide your audience through. Sometimes real demonstration is needed in process speech to ease the audience understanding. Steps are the most important point in this type of speech. Lately, expositionary speeches are known as lecture. In this section, we describe your kind of expository speech. Expository speech needs the speakers to use extensive research based to prepare their presentation. They can use certain organization pattern to their speech so that the audience can easily understand the topic discussion. Different types of expository speech are suited to different organization patterns. Finally, a hallmark of effective expository speaking is that it uses various methods of informing for development material. Expository speech include tools that explain a political, economic, social, religious, ethical issue there that explain even of forces of history. Does the explain a theory, principle, or law, and does that explain a set creative award? That's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.